Well, hi there, everybody, and good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Friday morning, heading into another weekend ahead of us here. Some busy weather ahead, and that starts today. A high wind warning in place, especially for areas north of Highway 92 today, where we will see, and Highway 92 is the highway that basically runs from Arnold and Myrna to Broken Bow to Loop City to St. Paul to just north of Central City to Osceola. Well, these areas and northward here could see wind gusts today as potentially as high as 55 to 60 miles per hour. Nasty winds, lots of blowing dirt and dust, especially for those that didn't get rain earlier this week. And that's going to go from 10 a.m. all the way until either 8 o'clock tonight or 9 o'clock tonight, depending on where you live. Lot of wind. We've got the same low pressure system that brought us the severe weather back on Wednesday in some areas. It's still in our vicinity. It's actually sitting up here at the top of the screen, up near the South Dakota, and my arrow disappears there, but up near the South Dakota, Minnesota, and North Dakota corner there. That's where that low pressure is, and it continues to spin counterclockwise. It's actually going to rotate some moisture and cloud cover southward today with a cold front. So we are going to see a cold front sink south, cloud cover increases, and some showers are going to be possible in north central, northeast Nebraska, maybe as far south as Lincoln there. I do want to back up real quick and show you there is a little bit of light rain in southeast Nebraska this morning. Mostly sprinkles, but a little light rain in some spots there as well. But look at these arrows. Northwest winds, west and northwest winds, very strong. We'll see wind gusts anywhere from gusting around 40 miles per hour down in Kansas to as much as 60 miles per hour up north. Nasty winds today. They'll calm down tonight gradually. They'll lighten up, I should say. And lighter winds and clearing skies are going to lead to a kind of a chilly morning Saturday morning. But Saturday looks like a pretty nice day. This will be the nicest day of the next several to come. We'll see a little bit of a breeze, but not too bad. Partly to mostly sunny skies, nice temperatures, a nice Saturday on the way. A little rain out west towards the end of the day. Some spotty showers possible Saturday night. Most of us will stay dry. I'm not expecting much. But as we get into Sunday morning, we begin to see there's going to be a warm front down to our south, and as that lifts north, some low-level moisture is going to start to move northward. You saw some of those clouds starting to build northward there. That's going to be setting the stage for the potential for some severe thunderstorms as we go into late Sunday into Sunday night, and possibly again Monday for some of us anyway here. In fact, as we check out the Storm Prediction Center's outlook, this is their Day 3 outlook. So Sunday, and this is going to be, again, end of the afternoon and more into the evening Sunday. Severe weather a possibility here. Now, most of us included in some sort of a threat, although up north I don't think there'll be much of a threat unless that warm front gets a lot farther north than expected. But again, that threat increases as you go to the south, especially I-80 and southward here. An enhanced risk here where there's going to be basically the fringe of potentially several strong tornadoes, especially as you go closer to I-70 and southward here. Much of Kansas and even down in Oklahoma could see potentially an outbreak type situation. We'll see. Much of our area, it's more of you can see severe weather, strong wind gusts, some hail, potentially even a few tornadoes. We're going to be on the northern edge of that threat, something we'll keep an eye on. Usually when you're talking Day 3, almost add a color to this. That's what your Day 1's going to look like. So I could see maybe an enhanced risk this far north and maybe a moderate risk farther south. Now, that's up to the Storm Prediction Center. We're going to keep a close eye on Sunday, though, especially towards Sunday evening for that severe weather threat. It's probably the best chance for most of us to see some severe weather. But again, on Monday, the eastern half of the area will have a threat of severe thunderstorm. Now, once you get past Day 3, Day 4 and beyond, the Storm Prediction Center, they do their outlooks a little bit differently, where they only show a slight or enhanced risk. There is going to be a slight risk here. And so I think we have a chance of seeing severe weather again Monday afternoon, Monday evening, especially the farther southeast you go. There's actually even an orange area down to the south where another potential outbreak type day is possible for parts of Oklahoma City to Tulsa, all the way down to southeast Kansas. So we're kind of on the edge of that threat, but we could see some severe weather for parts of our area again on Monday. Then the threat should be to our east on Tuesday. All right, back to today. High temperatures only in the 50s up north and 60s. Farther south, some 70s south of I-80, and even some places near 80 in parts of northern Kansas. So very cool up north, very blustery winds. Not an ideal day at all. I know a lot of elementary schools are having field days today. Not a good day for that at all here. And maybe there's some other sporting events going on. We've got state baseball, state soccer going on over in Omaha. Forecast lows for tonight and tomorrow morning. It's going to be a chilly morning tomorrow morning. 30s up to the west. 40s for the rest of us here. So nice recovery tomorrow afternoon, though. Should be the best day of the next 4 by far. Nice day. 60s up north and 70s for the rest of us. The wind's not too bad, maybe a touch breezy, and partly to mostly sunny skies. Should be a really nice day Saturday. Saturday night, a little milder, 40s, lower 50s, a little cool still up to the north and northeast. And then looking ahead to Sunday, a lot of the temperatures are going to depend on how far north that warm front can get. If it can get farther north, we could be talking mid and upper 70s here. But it will be cooler the farther north you go, more clouds in here. And with that warm front lifting northward again, that sets the stage for late day showers, thunderstorms, and severe weather Sunday. Sunday night, fairly mild night, 40s, 50s, even some low 60s. Monday, again, warm front setting up in our area. Severe weather threat, especially right here. But non-severe storms, maybe some showers though, off to the northwest with that cooler, more stable air, which will then dive southward Tuesday and Wednesday before we start to warm up later in the week. Let's check out that forecast long range here. And again, spotty showers almost done here in the Tri-Cities area. I think we're pretty much dry after that. But increasing clouds today. Very windy conditions. That's the big story of the day. A little breezy, but otherwise a very nice day Saturday. Small chance of rain early Sunday, the better chance later in the day Sunday into Sunday night. I have thrown in a weather alert day for Sunday for that threat of severe storms. We're going to have to keep a close eye on that. Luke Prokosh, he'll be here filling you in with all the latest with any severe weather threat for Sunday. Monday, we still could see some severe weather central and especially southeast Nebraska, north central, northeast Kansas. I have decided to throw in a weather alert day for the Tri-Cities on Monday as well. Cooling down, more stable air Tuesday, Wednesday, still a few lingering showers on Tuesday, and then it starts to warm up Thursday and beyond. Going towards Memorial Day weekend, it looks like some warmer air, not hot, but warmer air coming from Memorial Day weekend, and mostly a dry weather pattern is going to settle in during that time. North Platte, very windy day today. Cool, increasing clouds, maybe some late day sun. A very nice day tomorrow, but a little chilly to start, but a nice afternoon. Weather alert day. There is going to be that chance of severe storms late day into the evening hours of your Sunday, a little on the windy side, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Monday, I did not include you in a weather alert day as I think the severe weather threat stays to your east, but still some showers and thunderstorms are a possibility. Cooler, more stable air though here. Still some lingering showers into Tuesday. Temperatures start to warm back up Wednesday and especially into Thursday and beyond. It looks like we'll be warmer heading towards Memorial Day weekend. It does look like we'll kind of be between chilly air to our east and warmer air to our west and southwest as we go towards Memorial Day weekend and into the following week, basically wrapping up the month of May there. So we could be back to near and a little bit above average during that time frame. Probably not a ton of moisture for late May, but as we creep closer to about the 27th, 28th, 29th, we may get back into a more active weather pattern once again. Potentially, we'll see. It's a long ways out. I'm actually looking more towards early June for the potential to maybe pick up a little bit. Here's the rain up there this morning to the north, and then I'm only going to show the European model because of time here, but here comes late day Sunday into Sunday night. That's where that severe threat sets up here. We're going to keep a close eye on that. And then potentially again late Monday into Monday night over central and eastern Nebraska. And then those cool showers Tuesday and beyond with some other chances down the road. All right, I do have to go, so thank you everybody for watching this morning. I'll be back with you on Facebook Live on Monday with all the latest. Take care and God bless. Bye.